safe, but that didn't work. I tried to play it round, but it did not yet. Yeah. I tried to hit it off this corner here. Yeah. Don't mess up, Bobby. Concentration.
Don't broke up.
Wait. It might be winnable. It could have been worse.
It's not too bad, yeah?
Bullshit. Sorry. Bullshit.
Bollocks.
That's not bad.
You know, I might get you banned, Bobby. I shouldn't be sorry. Unless you have a profanity.
Watch your
I said it for
profanity.
not for kids. Because it
Yeah,
is
that's good.
profanity.
Yeah, that's what you. That's what I do with all of mine, because I got smoking and everything else. It's like all of my Twitch videos come up. It's like, yes, it has.
But I don't have
tobacco
it
and
age
drugs
restricted.
and alcohol.
It's just not for kids.
Oh, unlucky brandies.
I did pretty good there.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Just do it like this.
Fuck you,
Bobby.
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 Nice jump, cunt. You bringing it down? Yeah, you're bringing it down, brother. Excuse me. Smoker's cough. That's when you're on.
Alright, Martin. Don't let me run away with it now.
What up? Bear with me, everyone. I am having a quick drink.
Oh, found the ball.
Where's? Ooh,
Found the ball.
thank you. That was a nice hit.
Yep. She's
Lost-
stuck
ooh,
in a
added
corner.
collection.
And she's not
Don't
stuck
put
in a
baby
corner.
in the corner.
anymore.
Don't put baby in a corner. I like it. The missus just come up with always put her in a corner.
I don't see how you putt like that.
I don't see.
No! You see, what happened is,
Oh.
yeah,
Oh. This is
I
a
ran
nice
away
one.
with the
You've got to
lead
come
again.
right up to get this.
okay, Bobby.
Only for now. Only for now, Bobby.
No, it's Jonathan's ball.
Oh. Unlucky, bro. It's got to come right up. As that say, Bobby, yeah, that's it.
Let's give it a
Slap the
shake.
trident. Just give me a little shaky.
And I committed even
What?
more sin. Okay. Here we go, watch. He's about to teach us how to do it. Show us how it's done.
Nope. Yeah, it's just you got to get.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's stop so she can hit hers. I don't want to mess her up. Yeah, she said fuck doing that. Just do it like that.
She played it safe.
Go. Yeah, go for the same thing. No. It's disguised
Yeah.
as a simple hole, isn't it?
4.
It is simple. Like that.
You just need enough momentum to get across it without
Yeah.
the heel
You
dragging
know
you,
what's
down.
funny? If you had hit that harder, you could have gotten it in.
Yeah, I know. Like this. No.
That was beautiful though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Jonathan, now you know what to do, bro. You got this, brother.
No!
Oh,
Medium.
It didn't send you
got it.
off, hey. It didn't send you off.
exactly. You're here. You're here, good sir. Nice, Bobby. No, back this way. Come on, over here.
Ba, 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 ba.
Balls over
I'll
there
just stop
behind
it. Up.
No.
Oh, yeah, it is. Thank you. Oh, hole 6. I need to go back to hole 6 quickly.
Alright, I'm
We didn't get the ball from hole 6.
This one's like super easy compared to that one. Alright, Martin.
I'll be there in a second. I'm just looking for the ball. Oh, yeah, I found it. Jonathan, come to me quickly. On hole 6. Right here. Ball's here. You're welcome. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm going for it.
You
Nope.
went for it alright.
Yeah, and it's back. I
Still
got
like
straight
that.
over there, though.
Still like that.
Fuck you, Bobby.
Or like that.
Jonathan going for it. Brandy's going for it like that. I'm going for it there now. I don't care. You only got a lead on me on by. I'm still under par. I'm okay. Nice, Jonathan. Grazie. Oh, it's a bumblebob. Yep, so far so good. Hole 9, all balls.
No!
Mm,
Oh, he's
not
sweet.
enough
Not enough
welly.
mustard. Oh, I'm saying not enough mustard. You're saying not enough welly.
Not enough grease. Not enough
Not
aim.
enough Taco Bell.
Not enough angle on the dangle.
Not enough dangle on the angle.
Not enough grease.
Y'all, you
not, not enough
Not
stank
enough
on
welly.
it.
Fucking, I'm losing concentration because I'm giggling now.
I'm not laugh. You made me tap it. I'm trying not to laugh.
Just tap it in. Is Bobby going for it?
I went for it
He's in the
alright.
drink.
I was trying to go over here. I think this is the hole in one. If you can get it through this gap, see that?
Huh?
You can get it there,
Yeah.
but I don't think you can get it there. I think you can get it close to here and then shoot it there. But straight
Not
to
that
the
way.
toilet.
In the drink. We're all going for it though. In the drink.
Everybody's in the drink.
For real?
Yep.
Indeed. Yeah. There's water
Yeah.
behind it as well.
4.
That is the easiest way round. Bobby's played it safe.
Stuck right here.
Jonathan's played it safe.
Yeah, but better. Safe, but better, again. But Jonathan's in the
It's
best
not
spot
good.
so far.
Yeah.
You're like aiming right at the drink. I'm behind this
I am.
shitty pillar.
Unless, wait, Jonathan, look at my madness I'm thinking. Zip, zip, zip.
When does Papa John's close?
Who knows?
Nah, Papa John's and Pizza Hut together are funny. Play it safe. Yeah. I was thinking if I went, I could have gone for a bit
Whoa!
more.
What did you even do?
Four.
Damn.
Other
She
side.
just pinballed. She went over it. Madness.
We're all over here now.
Madness. Indeed. Oh, it's in. Nice.
Ah, you bullshit, motherfucking stupid ass motherfucking ball.
Oh, I thought you was gonna miss it there, Bobby. Oh,
I couldn't
catching
afford
up
to
again,
miss
Bob.
it after that performance.
I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. You're only 3 ahead.
Yeah, they're tied for
Oh, I can get
for
up.
last.
This is a hole in one, easy.
If they tie though, they both get points for. They both get 2 points instead of 1.
Yeah.
My hands are starting to get clean.
Oh, go on! No!
No.
4.
Whack.
Bobby's got it.
Oh, oh.
Just biffed it.
Take that, you can, bastard.
It was such a hole-in-oneable hole.
Same as mine, though.
The exact same. It's crazy
Yeah.
how much of the same it was.
That was nuts.
You can't kill 2 birdies with 1 bogey.
Come on, Brandies. Don't fluff it. You got this. There's a giant clam in the sky. I don't like
You
it.
bullshitting! I hate
That
people.
was brutal. She fucking, it went round it.
Stop.
Thank you. There we go. Oh. Oh.
Horrible. This is
Ooh,
horrible.
this is dirty. It is hole in one possible. It is hole in one possible. You've got to hit it there. That's this
Why'd
side.
you hit straight
Good though,
instead
you're
of go that
safe.
way? Beans and bacon? Four score and 7 years ago.
Look at him go. Look at you,
Thank
boy.
you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful, beautiful.
Nice.
I almost screwed that one up.
Yay.
Look at him. You had the right idea.
Well, you see,
Small pop.
Boom.
do better. Oh,
Nice birdie.
my sister. Have you ever wanted to pick someone's house
Nice, Bobby.
just for... Never mind. Ignore what I just said. No one needs to hear that.
Oh, we heard it.
Wait for me before we start this next hole.
Right, that can come off charge now.